The answer to that is it depends. And what it depends on is who your customer is. So when you are doing any marketing at all, marketing 101 is you must put your marketing message in front of your potential customers. Okay, that's marketing 101. So it is, you can have the worst marketing message ever, but if you put it in front of great customers, you'll make sales. And consequently, you can have the best marketing message ever done by somebody who's awesome at doing marketing. But if you put it in front of the worst customers, you will never make any sales at all. So your marketing message is less important than your customers, who you're going to put your marketing message in front of. I would much rather have great customers to put my marketing message in front of than the skills of marketing, if that makes sense. Because without customers, you don't do anything. So the problem then becomes, where are your customers outside of Amazon? And of course, that will be dictated by what the hell you are selling. So some platforms, some social media platforms specifically, lend themselves to certain product categories on Amazon. Think of things like Pinterest, Instagram, things like that. Very visual platforms, predominantly females on those platforms. And whilst ladies do make the majority of buying decisions in any household, you still have to put it in front of your customer, for your bloke, whoever it may be, to say, hey doll, can I go and get this? If that makes sense. Or at least that's what I have to do. I have to ask my wife permission to spend any money at all. So that's an important consideration, Winston. Who is your customer? Where are they going to be? Now, for the most part, it's easy to find your customers on Facebook and easy to find your customers on Google. So without a shadow of a doubt, you can and you should be running your advert definitely on google.com.au. Now, everybody who's watching this, pull up a web page like this, google.com.au, or whichever country it is you're selling your product in. If you're selling your product in the USA, google.com. If you're selling your product in the UK.co.uk, etc., etc., etc. Pull up this website. Now, in this search area, type in your product. So for instance, for Dave Andrews, it would be bamboo socks. And then, so that's your product category, bamboo socks, your main buying keywords, and then a plus sign, and then put Amazon. All right, so that's now your search term, and hit search. Now, if you see a listing like this where there's nobody advertising at all, no paid for advertising, rejoice, for you have now found an awesome way to make extra sales on Amazon. And you should be running paid marketing through Google AdWords on your search terms with the search modifier plus Amazon. Okay, you should absolutely be doing that. You'd be nuts not to do that. Let's take arguably one of the most competitive niches on Amazon anywhere, which is yoga mats. So yoga mat plus Amazon, hit that. And again, so whilst it is ludicrously competitive on Amazon selling yoga mats, outside of Amazon, nobody knows what the hell they're doing. You could have your yoga mat advert right there at the top of the search engines, and you will be amazed how many people search on Google for what it is they're looking for on the platform they want to buy it on. So yoga mat plus eBay, yoga mat plus Walmart, yoga mat plus Flipkart, whatever it may be. etc., etc. That is a very, very cool thing to do. And Winston, I would say arguably that's your first place to start. And then after you have optimized and set up Google AdWords, you should go back and then do Facebook and do the same to Facebook and run ads on Facebook to people who are going to be interested in yoga. But there is nothing more powerful than putting your product in front of somebody who's actively searching for it. There's nothing more powerful than that. Just to take this all the way back to the beginning. So in terms of a marketing proposition, this is marketing nirvana. People searching for your product, somebody selling your product, bring those two together, and that's where you can make money. So that's where definitely I would start. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.